Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most pressing questions of our time. Will AI replace your job? As AI technology continues to advance, many industries are undergoing rapid transformations. But what does this mean for workers like you and me? Will robots and algorithms take over our roles, or can we find new opportunities in this changing landscape? Will AI replace your job? Exploring the future of work. In this video, we'll explore how AI is automating jobs across different sectors, which professions are most at risk, and how we can prepare for the future of work. Stick around, because we've got some expert insights and real-world examples coming your way. AI is no longer just a buzzword, it's becoming an integral part of the workplace. From chatbots and AI-powered customer service to machine learning algorithms in finance and healthcare, artificial intelligence is quickly infiltrating industries worldwide. Cut to stock footage of AI-powered robots, machine learning software, and AI tools in use in various settings. AI tools can process vast amounts of data, learn from patterns, and even make decisions, tasks that were once only possible for humans to do. We're seeing it in everything from automated phone systems to AI programs that can analyze medical images for signs of disease. But while AI promises incredible efficiencies, it's also raising big questions about the future of work. So, how exactly is AI automating jobs? Well, the impact is being felt across multiple industries. Let's break it down. 1. Healthcare. AI in diagnostics and patient care. Cut to footage of AI working in healthcare, analyzing medical images, or assisting doctors. In healthcare, AI is streamlining diagnostic processes. AI tools are now being used to analyze medical images, detect early signs of diseases like cancer, and even assist in robotic surgeries. AI-powered virtual assistants are also helping doctors by keeping track of patient histories, ordering tests, and offering treatment recommendations. Cut to an expert interview clip, e.g., a doctor or healthcare technologist discussing AI in healthcare. AI can enhance doctors' abilities, especially in diagnosing complex conditions faster and with greater accuracy. But it's unlikely that AI will fully replace doctors. Instead, AI will be a tool that enhances the human element of healthcare. 2. Finance. AI in trading and risk management. Cut to stock footage of AI trading on the stock market, analyzing financial data. In finance, AI is revolutionizing the way stocks are traded. High-frequency trading algorithms can analyze massive amounts of market data in real time, making split-second decisions about buying and selling. Meanwhile, machine learning models are being used to detect fraud and predict market trends with greater accuracy than humans. Cut to expert interview, e.g., a financial analyst or AI researcher discussing AI in finance. AI's impact on finance is undeniable. It's allowing companies to manage risks better, optimize investment strategies, and automate repetitive tasks like accounting. However, jobs like stockbrokers or financial analysts who rely on traditional methods are facing disruption. The future of finance will likely see a blend of human expertise and AI working side by side. 3. Marketing. AI in consumer insights and ad targeting. Cut to footage of AI tools analyzing consumer data or creating digital ads. Marketing is another field where AI is making a huge impact. AI-driven tools help companies analyze customer behavior, predict purchasing patterns, and personalize ads with an unprecedented level of precision. For example, companies are using AI to optimize their digital ad campaigns by adjusting targeting parameters in real time. AI can also automate content creation, such as generating personalized emails or social media posts based on user preferences. Cut to expert interview with a marketing professional discussing AI's role in the industry. AI is transforming marketing by helping brands understand their customers better than ever before. It's also improving ad performance and reducing the workload for marketing teams. However, some traditional marketing roles, like copywriters or market researchers, are at risk of being replaced by AI. Now, let's talk about the jobs that are most at risk. While AI is creating new opportunities, it's also replacing jobs that involve repetitive tasks or data analysis. Here are some of the professions most likely to be impacted by automation. 1. Customer service representatives. Cut to footage of a customer service chatbot or virtual assistant, host, voiceover, you. First, customer service roles. Chatbots and virtual assistants powered by AI are becoming increasingly sophisticated, capable of handling everything from basic queries to more complex customer issues. As a result, many companies are turning to AI to reduce their dependence on human customer service reps, host, voiceover, you. While AI can handle many aspects of customer service, there's still a human need for empathy and problem-solving in complex situations. 2. Data entry clerks. Cut to footage of AI processing data, or a digital assistant automating tasks. Next, data entry jobs. AI can process and organize data far faster and more accurately than humans. This includes anything from inputting information into systems to categorizing documents or managing inventories. As AI systems improve, roles in data entry are being automated at a rapid pace. 3. Retail workers and cashiers. Cut to footage of AI-powered self-checkout machines or robots working in retail. Retail is also seeing major disruption. With the rise of self-checkout machines, automated inventory management, and robotic assistants, jobs like cashiers, stock clerks, and even customer-facing roles are being replaced or transformed. That said, there are still many areas in retail where human interaction will remain essential, especially in high-touch customer service environments or creative roles like visual merchandising. AI doesn't replace the doctor, but it enhances their ability to catch things that might be missed in a routine scan. The combination of human expertise and AI is the future of healthcare. Cut to footage of JP Morgan's AI system analyzing financial documents. In finance, JP Morgan has developed an AI system called COIN, Contract Intelligence, that processes legal documents in seconds. This tool can read and interpret contracts, which would typically take human lawyers hours or even days to review. It's a great example of how AI is automating repetitive, time-consuming tasks. Cut to expert interview with a financial analyst discussing AI in finance. AI in finance is about efficiency and accuracy. While certain tasks are being automated, there are still many roles where human judgment is essential, particularly in investment strategy and client relations. So, how can we prepare for the future of work in an AI-driven world? Well, there are a few key steps you can take to stay ahead of the curve. One of the best ways to future-proof your career is to upskill and reskill. Focus on learning new technologies, improving your digital literacy, and gaining expertise in fields that are harder to automate.